हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज़ हिरा। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैंने ये लुक क्रिएट की है। दिस इज़ ग्रीन ग्लैम। तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी इजी बिगिनर्स स्टेप्स कैसे हमने ये लुक अचीव की है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। सबसे पहले आई हैव यूज्ड कवर गर्ल ट्रू ब्लेंड स्किन एनहांसर प्राइमर। It's in shade Velvet Blur. It's a pore erasing primer. It contains niacinamide, and then I am using Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. It conceals and it is in shade 06 Sand Beige. First, I will apply it with a brush. It's a elf foundation brush, and then I will be blending it with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's a corrector and a concealer, and it's in shade Natural. Then I'll be using elf Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour stick. It's in the shade Light Medium. You have to squeeze the wand gently, then glide the cushion tip along cheekbones, temples, jawline, and then quickly blend. I like to blend the contour on the cheekbones and on the forehead in upwards direction, and for the jawline I would blend it beneath the jawline to create an illusion of a very pointy jawline. Now I am blending the harsh lines of contour with the foundation to make it seamless. Then I'll be setting the complexion products with the loose powder. It's from elf Halo Glow. Using NYX Brow Precise Pencil, it's in the shade Espresso 07. I'll be just underlining the eyebrow and then filling them up. For the eye makeup, I'm taking a fluffy brush and a neutral bronzy shade all over my eyelid, upper crease, and the lid. I always like to use a neutral shade for the transition and for the blending purposes. It just makes sense to me. Revolution London Mini Colored Reloaded palette. It's in the shade It's Giving Green, and I'll be taking the shade number 1 from the palette. Taking shade number 5 from the same palette. It's a darker brown shade, and I'll be applying it on the outer corner of the eye and make it a little bit more smoky. Just one tap, blend it, blend it, blend it. Again from the same palette, taking the shade number 3. It's a very shimmery green lime shade, and I'll be applying it in the inner corner of the eye. Just take a small brush, very precise brush, to apply it inner corners of the eye. Now I wanted to show you all the shades of this palette because this is a beautiful palette, and I have applied all the shades on my finger. Very milky smooth shades, applies like a butter. This shade I have applied in the inner corners of my eye. To do a very simple graphic eyeliner. First we will make a wing, a very simple cat wing. You can see that I am using Essence Precise liner. It's in shade Jet Black. So once you have made a wing, then you just have to map out the upper crease area with the wing and attach it with the wing. I'll show you in a bit. For the graphic eyeliner on the upper crease of my eye, I will use this marker felt tip liner. It's also from Essence. It's super precise, that's why I'm using it for the mapping out of the graphic eyeliner. It's not very liquidy, that's why it's easy to handle for the beginners. and I will be applying the liquid eyeliner on top of it. Using that same brown shade from the palette, I am going to fill in where the graphic eyeliner is starting from, to just make this shape of the eye more prominent. For the lower lash line, I'll be using a brown shade from the palette, and then I'll be using a brown pencil on the waterline as well. I'll be using the mascara. It's my favorite mascara. It's from Benefit. It is the name is Bad Girl. I absolutely love it. It just makes my small eyelashes a little bit more prominent because I don't use falsies, but this does give a effect like I have used falsies. You can just check this eye with the other eye. You can compare it and see the difference. I am using a brown pencil to outline the lips, and then I'll be using a very nude shade for the lips because the eyes are popping and I want this makeup look to stay that way. Now very lightly I'll be using this Milani 04 Luminoso baked blush. I don't want the cheeks to be the highlight of this makeup look, so use a very light hand when you're applying the blush. Then using the banana powder from Essence, it's Brighten Up banana powder in the shade Bubble Banana. And then I'll be using Milani Make It Last Dewy Spray to set my makeup. This is the finished look. This is an honorable mention for Makeup Revolution London palette. It's a beautiful palette. Its name is It's Giving Green, and then this lip shade from Milani is absolutely beautiful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you like the best. And thank you for watching this video. Take care everybody. Bye bye.